Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here to share with you how we make peanut butter in the north, precisely Tamale, the northern part of Ghana. So I have my peanuts ready and I have my pan here and I'm just adding the peanuts onto it because I have just placed it on fire. One thing about roasting peanuts is that you have to be stirring it continuously so that you don't get your peanuts burnt. New machines or new devices are being manufactured so that people can use it to roast. That is for those roasting in larger quantities. So as you are stirring it continuously, you have to pick the peanuts once in a while to check how far it has roasted so that you don't over roast your peanuts. You can see the color is even changing, so you know that the peanuts are getting ready gradually. Now the color has just changed totally, so you can even see. So at this point I'm just going to take it away and I'll repeat this process for the remaining peanuts. Other people too use sand or gari to roast their peanuts, and with that, after roasting you have to sieve the sand or gari before you get your peanuts. So in order to reduce this stress, you can take this option, but you have to be extra careful so that you get the texture or the outcome that you want. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. So it's getting darker, but I still have small quantity to roast. And after roasting, I will have to keep this so that the next morning I'll do the other steps involved in making peanut butter. This is a tedious step, but you just have to be patient so that you get the best out of it. So I'm done and I'll be keeping it till the next day, where I'll do the pounding to get some of the skin away. I'm not going to remove the skin all. I'll leave some intact. So this is how you pound it. You don't have to pound it harder. You have to make it light pounding so that you still have some of the skin. Other people too prefer to just leave the skin on because of the fiber, and they will just blend it this way, but the choice is yours. You may choose to leave it or you remove it completely. So I'll pound all, and after that I'll remove the excess peanut skin from the peanut. Tamale has a lot of delicacies, and I'll be sharing all this on this channel. And I know one day when you visit Tamale, you will love to see more of this physically. So now I'm done with the pounding, so I'll just remove the excess skin. So this is how we do it. You just hold your pan with the peanuts and keep on doing this till you get everything removed. So it's removed now. I'm at the grinding mill and I've just poured it into the machine, and the machine is doing the milling for me. It takes some time for everything to come out because it's thick So you just have to be a little bit patient for the machine to do its work. So after this, the owner of the place has to open up, or the operator will open up the machine so that you can scoop some of the sticky paste in the machine, because everything doesn't come out easily. So he's taking his tools to open it up, and afterwards I'll just scoop. So this is how it is. You have to scoop again after the machine does its work. If not, you will not get enough of the peanut butter. So you just have to make this on your own so that you'll be sure of what you are consuming, because there are a whole lot of other stuffs that can be done in making peanut butter. So we are done and we are about to go home. So we are just covering it with this plastic or this rubber so that we'll carry it to the house. We have reached our home. See how beautiful the peanut butter looks, and it is so smooth. So let me just list the steps. So the first is to get your peanuts. You roast it, you pound, you remove the excess skin, then you send it to the grinding mill to grind it. Now I'm just making some peanut butter soup. I know after watching this you also make your peanut butter so that you can also make your soup and enjoy it with your family. I hope you have enjoyed watching this wonderful video. See you next time. Bye.